Hi, I'm Kim, and welcome to Martin Made TV. This is my little corner of the web where I like to share tips and tricks on making your house the home you love. And that can be any space that's yours, whether it be an apartment, a studio, a single room, whatever. As long as it's yours, why shouldn't it be a reflection of your style? On this channel, I'll share tips on how to make that happen at any budget. And I'll share knowledge on how you can develop the tools to design and decorate your own interior. Because no one knows you better than you, right? To give you a bit of background about me, I'm a wife and mother who fell in love with interior decorating about 8 years ago when we purchased our first home. As is commonly the story, the budget was tight, so I had to get creative. That led to many DIY projects and even a blog along the way where I documented all those projects and shared a lot of other tips. I've since taken a break from that blog and rolled it over into this space that I call Martin Made Design TV. I've learned a lot along the way through many resources and want to share that knowledge with you. I'm so excited to have you here with me along on this journey. Follow along by subscribing below and click the bell for notifications. And feel free to reach out in the comments or my other social outlets. Also, I have an ebook launching soon, as well as a few freebies you might find interesting. So join my newsletter to stay updated. The link will be down below. And of course, if you have questions or suggestions on topics I can cover in the interior decorating category, feel free to leave those down below as well. And again, welcome.